Before watching this video, make sure you subscribe, like thumbs up this video, share it with your friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Sagar. I am a grade 2 student. Today I am going to do a very interesting science experiment. First, I take a big transparent bottle. Now I am filling half of the bottle with soil. Now I am adding different materials into the bottle. Some of these are natural things and some are man-made things. Next, I am covering all the materials with more soil. Now I am sprinkling some water. After 4 weeks, I am opening the bottle. Now I am taking out all the material in the small bottle. I can see that leaves, fruit peels and vegetable peels have decayed very fast. But plastic,
Rubber do not. So we should reduce the use of plastic and keep our earth clean. Thank you.